This year has seen our local businesses lose clientele and be forced to transition to curbside delivery and non-contact business means to survive. Meanwhile, potential customers have literally no idea what hours are being honored, can they actually venture inside, or what is the best way to help support their favorite local vendor. As summer begins, the trips and vacations that we typically have planned have been twisted with different rules about where is safe and where we are allowed to travel. It's time to get out. It's time to help our local businesses. It's time to be safe and keep our families safe as well. It's time to tie all these ideas together and win a vacation stay just for being part of the solution. It's called the Commerce Connection Quest, and what a way to help out local vendors while banking a vacation stay for later use with over 40 amazing destinations to choose from. How can I get started? Register on the Missouri Business Podcast website. Like, comment, and share the announcement on the Missouri Business Podcast Facebook page. Subscribe to the Missouri Business Podcast YouTube channel. Download the map of our vetted vendors and take a selfie in front of each of their painted windows. Post those photos on their company Facebook pages and tag us at Missouri Business Podcast. That's it. You win. Easiest contest to play, and everyone who's over 21 can win. Whether you're selfishly playing or selflessly doing so, everyone wins, and we look forward to seeing your fun selfies all over our vendors' Facebook pages soon, and your vacation pics whenever you take your trip. You only have until the end of the month to complete the circuit. Let's get started.